Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. A Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, November the 25th, 2022. We have three puzzles left. The first puzzle I've solved is a 3 stars puzzle. Well, this one very tough. I don't think this one is a 3 stars. I think this one should be a 4 stars. So three puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Yes. Let me continue with the 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 5537. 5537. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Well, previous Sudoku, very tough one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. 30 minutes or more. Well, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 5, 4 5s. All right. 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 5s are a majority. Can I do something with the 5? 5 5. Let me see. 5 5. 5 5 5. Well, will be difficult with 5. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this third column, so no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this big square. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, and 9. Okay, so now we have 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2, 2. Okay. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 8, 8. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 2, 3, 8, 8. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 2, 2. 8, 8. 1, 8, 9. Come on. 3, 3. 2, 2, 2. 6, 6. 6. Well. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. Come on. 9, 9, 9. 4, 4, 4. 4, 6. 4, 6. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 in these two boxes. Here, 7 in the last column. No 7 in those two boxes. One box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7, 7, 7. 6, 6. Yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes. In the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1. 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. Second row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 1 and 4 in this big square. So no 1 and 4 in this box. The 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and 8. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these two boxes. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column and only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5. How about 7, 6, 6, 3, 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and 8, we already have a 3 here in the first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is the one, number 3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in the middle column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6, 6. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the last row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 6 and the 2. Okay. Then 7, 7. Here should be the 7. 7, 9, and the 4. 1, 2, 3. 8, 3, 6. 9. 9 should be here. 9, 9. Ay. 189, 189. 1 and a 4, 4 and a 7. 4, 4. 6, 6. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. Ay. 4 and a 7. 7 should be here. 7 should be there. Come on. This box can be 1. Could be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be 9. Yes, this box, hidden box, can be a 1, should be a 2, could be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, cannot be a 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be 9. Yes, definitely 2, hidden number. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2. Wow. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. 4, okay. 5. 5. Come on. 189, 184. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 489. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 489. 489. And look, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4 and the 9. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8. And we have a pair, I believe. the 7 and 8 in the last column, the 7 and 8 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As appears 7 8 7 8. So 1 is left in this column for number 1. Yeah. 1 1 4 and a 9. 149 149 149 149 3. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so no 1 above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now. In the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 9, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. And also 4 and a 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, row, 8 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left, 1 and the 9, okay. 7 and the 9. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 2 final numbers. The final numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finished in 70 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. Well, it's totally different than the previous Sudoku. Although it has 24 printed digits. Well, told you. Here we have a lot of hidden numbers, a lot of pairs. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.